worked with them and our own colleagues up there. I just want to say the irony. Here's a statement from the Speaker of the Grand National Assembly of Turkey, a government that is, just run by a dictator where people are jailed, journalists and people who are democratic protesters. We follow the events in the USA with concern and invite the parties to calmness, the Speaker writes on Twitter. We believe that problems will always be solved within law and democracy. As Turkey, we have always been in favor of the law and democracy, and we recommend it to everyone. This is just a continuation of a government run by this president, his Secretary of State, who have embraced dictators, ignored human rights, ignored the jailings of protesters, women and others who've been tortured in jail in Saudi Arabia. And now we see mob rule in the capital of the United States. It is beyond shocking.